Welcome CNG one. Welcome CNG 124 to the online recording for our midweek check-in. This video once again will go in the midweek check-in videos. Make sure while you're looking at week 2 items, follow along with the notes that are presented in the slides. Look at the TCP/IP models and the OSI models, and look how I can go like this and match them up, but it's not really an exact picture where one side is kind of like this, matched up kind of differently, just because in OSI we have 7 layers, TCP/IP we have 5 layers, and then or 4 layers, 4 layers, and they match up. Basically, one layer in TCP/IP meets 3 different layers in the OSI model, but the protocols themselves and the PDUs do not change from side to side. So be aware of that. When you look at that, it's more important to understand the layers and how the PDUs match up to those layers. Once again, they don't change. Like you will not find frame at the top. It's always going to be data working down to you to the larger sections of the information. Let's see. Within assignments, you have Lab 2 with a homework video of Lab 2 and how to do Lab 2. I haven't changed that homework video because the homework themselves fundamentally don't change. When you start to do this at your house, there could be a Windows update that slightly changes things, but it's not going to be like a fundamental change. Excuse me. You're still going to have the good overview of how the homework should be done. I don't think there's workbook assignments. Page 2 of your IPv4 addressing student workbook. Make sure you stay up with that. And then we have a few quizzes, all due Sunday night. At 11:59 p.m. I did my best to go through and make sure all the dates are in line. But if you happen to go through and see that a date is out of line, please let me know when you see that, and I will make sure to change that. Oh, there's a video still there. Once again, these videos, as the weeks move on, if you do catch an old video, realize that I will update the week and put in a new video. Once again, the content does not radically change. You're just going to see more up-to-date video as it's presented. I don't think I saw anybody log in before me on Monday, so I believe we're good. When you go to let's cover that a little bit. When you go to the landing page and actually come to this course, I do see when you logged in. If I go to the specific person, I can see how long you're in the course, what you're clicking on, etc. One item that you should be preparing for is making sure that you have the CNG 124 kit that was mentioned in the syllabus, and the Kaplan code that's only available at the Front Range Larimer campus. So this Kaplan 180-day online access for CompTIA is only available at the Larimer campus. And to do that, you go to first get to our website. I find it easier just to go search in bookstores, see campus stores, choose the Larimer campus. Once you're here at this point, you can definitely search CNG 124, but the easiest thing to do is just press 180 day and then search. You'll come up with this query answer here. Add to cart. I guess let me show you the full thing. We'll see how far I can get before I got to pay something. Shopping cart. They're only. Signatures are required for all FedEx home deliveries. Continue to check out. It says CNG 120, but this is a universal code, so don't be deterred by that. Yeah, sure. That's not going to matter because they're all new codes. Continue to check out. I guess I had to do. I really don't know how far I'm going to get. I never tried this before. Okay. So you have to make a user account. When you add this to your cart and go for the final checkout, there should be a comment area. Please comment Sandra Greenfield. So Sandra Greenfield, Greenfield, and say, attention Sandra, I am an online student. Can I please have the code emailed to me? She photocopies the code and then sends it to your email account. That is the most efficient way to get the code. Other than that, it'll go into snail mail all the way to your address, and usually takes a while to get there. So make sure you get that and start practicing that code for the CompTIA N10-007 rehearsal software. That'll be preparing you for that Network Plus certification. The kit is located at any bookstore. That'll prepare you for the future in labs 4 or 5. We actually create network cables, so you have to have that kit. Or if you have your own home stuff that will work for this, please use that instead. Once again, I don't think the kit's very expensive, but it'll prepare you for that lab 4 and sending those wires here to campus, so I can evaluate them and give you feedback on that. Great work. I'll catch up later.